It is really hot, so I'm really sorry for the fan that is right there. But yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into the point because I'm getting a bit late. It is 12 a.m. today. It is a summer day in my life, hopefully a productive one, but I'm already quite doomed to not be so productive because I woke up at 10:30 a.m. something like that, because I watched a basketball game at 3 a.m. today. Life's hard, but yeah. For those that don't know me yet, my name is Mario and I am a 16-year-old A-level student from Spain, almost 17-year-old, but I'm still 16. I'm just gonna do lots of stuff, including uni research. I'm gonna be doing some language learning for 2 languages. One is quite weird. Why would anyone learn Slovenian? I will also be working out a lot. I will do an upper body workout as well as some static bike. And yeah, I'm just gonna get lots of stuff done. I will also meditate and get some more consistency into my meditation, because my last video was about meditation, but I still haven't got the handle of it. I'm not too consistent, so I have to work a lot on that. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm just running too late, so you can see my Google Calendar and everything, how it's planned. So I just had breakfast. I had, as always, pan con tomate, 2 slices of bread with olive oil and tomato, and I also had some milk. Because, you know, it is nice protein. And then I just went into the bathroom and brushed my teeth, and yeah, right now I'm just here and I'm just gonna try to get stuff done. So let's just get straight into it. See you. I know it's only 2 kilograms, but you know, I don't have anything else, so yeah. So I am done. I just hit that workout. It wasn't too tough. Like, I did one that was longer. It was 20 minutes 2 days ago. So that's why today I did a 15-minute one. But yeah, and the weight are 2 kilograms, so you can imagine. Right now I'm just gonna go hit the shower, and then I'm gonna go and have lunch. So that's gonna be it. And then I'm gonna be doing lots of stuff. So yeah, let's continue the day, and yeah, I will see you right now. So I am about to start lunch. I have right here some rice and some salmon, so really healthy stuff. And I'm gonna be listening to Not Overthinking's podcast right here on my tablet. And yeah, good vibes all around. Right now it is 4 p.m. I did lots of things today. By now I have already done uni research, I've done an upper body workout, and I've also meditated. And right now I'm just gonna go and do my language learning. It is more of a hobby. I'm learning some words and phrases in both Italian and Slovenian. You might wonder why Slovenian, because Italian is more or less comprehensible because, you know, it's really similar to Spanish. But Slovenian, why am I learning Slovenian? Well, there is a basketball player whose name is Luka Doncic. That's really good pronunciation right now. I was just bored and I just wanted to learn some words in Slovenian. I found that on Memrise they have a course on Slovenian, and I'm learning basic things like Shubio, which is like hello, and then Kekozi, that is like how are you, Kaito, which means like what is that, Odlično, which is like amazing. Yeah, I'm learning lots of stuff in Slovenian, just in case I ever go there. And well, I have a TikTok account on Luka Doncic, which is that Slovenian player, and it is quite huge, so it may be useful to learn Slovenian if I ever meet him or any of the people related to the brand of the player that I have already collaborated with. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and do a bit of each, like 15 minutes of each, something like that. Let's just enjoy the learning of languages. Let's just go do this, and I'll see you right now. Bye. So I just finished doing my language learning stuff today. Really good day overall. I'm still going forwards with Slovenian, and I'm learning decent Italian as well. But yeah, I'm doing really well. Today I've done lots of stuff, and I still have one more thing to do that is considered as productive, and that is doing a static bike. It is 5 p.m. right now, and I will go and have a snack as well. I really hope you have a nice summer, and if you are having holidays, I hope you are having nice holidays. Don't work yourself too hard. Sincerely, I have done nothing in 1 month of summer holidays that I've already had. Just take it easy. You have holidays, go and have holidays. When it's time to go back and work, you go back and work. So if you found this video interesting, useful, entertaining at least, I would really appreciate if you could leave a thumbs up. It really helps. And if you enjoy this channel and you more or less like me as a person, if you think I may make videos that will seem interesting to you, consider subscribing. And yeah, I really hope to see you guys in the next video, which I think is going to be a really cool vlog of my holidays in the Canary Islands. So I'm looking forward to recording that and obviously editing and uploading. It will take a while, like maybe I take 2 or 3 weeks to put that video out until August, something like that. Like I will already be 17 years old because my birthday is the 4th of August. I'll stop talking because I can't stop talking for some reason. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.